nursery children had a very simple but very fascinating concept of balls in their celebration of learning, project-based learning.
Why does a ball roll?
So in this inquiry-based learning, children went through 4 types of investigations in which they explored and discovered answers through play and discussion. These activities built their fine motor skills and their vocabulary.
Why are some balls big, small, soft, or colorful? Why are different balls used for different games?
Our first investigation explored the exciting question, what different types of balls are there and how are they the same and different? In this investigation 1, we explored different kinds of balls, hollow and solid, big and small, soft and hard. We made balls using paper, plastic bags and chocolate. We sorted and measured balls and learned that balls can be different in material, size and texture, but all are round.
Why does it bounce?
Our second investigation explored the exciting question, how do balls bounce? Our curious nursery students enjoyed experimenting with bouncing balls on different surfaces like smooth and rough areas. They also sorted balls that bounce and do not bounce through fun hands-on activity. To make learning more interactive, our PE sir visited the class and demonstrated how to fill air in a ball using ball pump. Children also got an opportunity to fill air in the balls and observed how balls bounce higher after filling air. A joyful learning experience filled with exploration, observation and play-based discovery. Our third investigation explored the question, how do balls roll? Our nursery students explored rolling activities using balls made from different materials and observed how they move. Children also enjoyed creative marble art and experimented with low and high ramp activity to discover how slope affects rolling. Our fourth investigation explored the exciting question, how do people use balls? Our nursery students visited a game zone and discovered how different balls are used in different games like table tennis, bowling and snooker. They also visited a football ground, sang rhyme with ball in the garden and enjoyed watching a volleyball match. A football player visited the class and showed the children how to play football. Juggling activities, ball throwing in and exercise with a yoga ball. Through joyful hands-on experiences, children learn that balls are used in many different ways for games, exercise and fun.
It was wonderful to see children grow and showcase their confidence level during the celebration. Parents were invited and they enjoyed to observe their children explain the concepts very clearly and with excitement. Seeing our little learners learn through joy and actively participate makes our learning process a success. Thank you.